Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'll be unboxing Niyo DCB Bank debit card, which I just received a week ago. I have not yet unboxed because I wanted to unbox for this video. And after unboxing, I'll tell you why this card is very good and why you should take this card, especially when you're traveling to countries like Europe. This is a bang on the buck. This will really help you a lot. And why it will help you a lot, I'll be explaining you guys in this video. So without wasting any time, I'll just get started. And before I get started, a lot of people had commented in my Regalia Gold video saying, when are you going to unbox Niyo DCB, or when are you going to give review about Niyo Global DCB Bank debit card? And before I begin guys, one more small information. This is not a sponsored video. This is based on my own experience for my subscribers and for the amount of subscribers that I have and for the amount of growth my channel has got so far. Still no big company or no brand has even approached me for sponsoring. Probably I have to grow more in YouTube or become a big YouTuber like many famous YouTubers. I don't want to take the names, but for a brand to approach me, nobody has approached me. This is not a sponsored video. Many people have commented for my previous when I did Axis My Zone video. A lot of people had commented saying, why are you promoting Axis Bank My Zone card? Is it promotion? Nobody has approached me for promotion. Genuinely speaking, if someone approaches me for a promotion like a big company like Niyo, I'll really be happy guys. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's unbox this. And I've just got a cutter and this Niyo DCB Bank card itself. I'll just put it to the screen. So this is, I don't want to display my address, and this is Niyo DCB Bank debit card. So I've just got this cutter in case if I need it, and start over that. Unboxing is always a bit challenging. You don't know what exactly is in the box. So yeah, they've just given account number and DCB Bank details. So I'll just keep this to the side. And this is the card itself. The packaging is very good. Again, this is not a sponsored video. The packaging is very good, and this is the packaging guys. Yeah, this is the packaging, and once I open the card, once I open the box, this is the card itself, as you can see. So this is the Niyo card, and I'm not going to show the details of this card because it's obviously very confidential. So I'm going to keep this card to the side, and this is the rest of the box. So once I open the box, I have got an RFID protector, which is very good. And if you don't know what this is, your card, when it's in your pocket and if Wi-Fi is enabled on your card, so people can steal through RFID machines. Like if they have an RFID machines, and if you're scanning through the airport, if you don't block your card, without your knowledge, your money might be debited from the card. So good thing is they've given this nice RFID protector, and also they've given some manuals, as you can see. This is the schedule of charges. And also they've given something else. They've given probably some kind of stickers, which is good. Like this looks like more of laptop stickers that you can use on your laptop or maybe cupboard or something. So that is good, an extra thing in my opinion. And this is a kind of a welcome message from the CEO of Niyo. So he's just given this small note about RFID stickers and basically welcome to Niyo. That is good. OnePlus used to do these things a lot, and I really like their packaging a lot. So this is the box itself guys. It's very simple, very subtle, and nothing much extra, and there also no plastic, as you can see. So they're using eco-friendly stuff like this cardboard, which is very good in my opinion. So I'll just keep everything to the side. I'll just pick up this this Niyo card itself, and I'll tell you the benefits. Also, I have Regalia Gold with me, so I'll be comparing this to Regalia Gold in terms of Forex markup fees. So this Niyo card claims to have zero markup fees. For example, when I went to Europe, I did a big mistake, which I don't want you guys to do this mistake, is to carry this Niyo card. Why? Because most of the countries do not accept cash. So when I talk about most of the countries, I've been to 8 countries in Europe in the last 2 weeks. And especially places like Amsterdam, if you're trying to go to local markets like Albert Heijn, they do not accept cash at all. And only few places accept cash. And even if they accept cash, most of the shops do not have change to give you back. And sometimes they give you in the form of some vouchers or some kind of a ticket where you can redeem, which will help kids. So those kind of tickets in exchange, or a Albert Heijn vouchers in exchange for your money. And euros is a big scam. So I carried about 1000 euros, and that 1000 euros is not accepted in any Scandinavian countries. I knew this before going. So if you take euros, it will not be accepted in Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Estonia, Iceland, etc. in all the Scandinavian or Nordic countries. So at that point of time, already you have lost money in terms of exchanging INR to euros in India. And if you want to give euros and exchange that into local currency, because every Nordic country has a different currency. Like Iceland have Icelandic krona, Denmark have Danish krona, Sweden have Swedish krona, etc. So nobody accepts euros. Everyone gives their card, and card is majorly accepted. One of my friends is a Swedish citizen. He was working here and now he's moved to Sweden. When I asked him, I need some amount of Swedish krona as a souvenir, he being there for the last 10 years, he doesn't have even 1 rupee or say 1 krona to give me as a souvenir, because nobody uses cash. And when he showed me his wallet, there was literally no cash, no coins, no notes. Only he had one card that is issued by Sweden Bank. That's it. So when you swipe Regalia Gold, what happens is you get a 2% markup fees on the amount that you swipe. For example, if you swipe 100 rupees, 100 rupees local, let's say you swiped 2 euros. 2 euros is nothing but 180 rupees. Let's say it's 180 rupees. So if you swipe 180 rupees, additional 2% will be charged on for you by your bank. So it is 2% markup fees. Whereas Niyo Global will charge 0%. So the current exchange rate for a dollar is 84.1. Niyo Global will only charge so much money, and they will not charge any markup fees, which is extremely good, especially when you're traveling to countries like Europe. Okay, now you might argue I'm traveling to a country like Japan or Thailand where card is not used so much. It can be beneficial for you in terms of using this card in major places, like when you go to McDonald's or KFC in Thailand or in Japan. Still they accept card in major places. So instead of exchanging currency, what I would recommend is to use this card maximum wherever you go as possible. And again, this card is issued by DCB Bank. Now, a lot of people have questions on other Niyo cards which are issued by SBM Bank. I haven't used those cards, guys. This is only my personal opinion based on my research. A lot of YouTubers have complained about that card, where you have to spend a certain amount in those credit cards, and it's like a credit card basically. Niyo SBM is a credit card, and credit card is nothing but you spend whenever you want and you repay your credit card bill. Well, that is slightly different process, and there is a very bad loophole with Niyo. A lot of YouTubers have given negative reviews, so based on their information, I did not want to go to their SBM card. I only wanted to go to their DCB Bank card. This is nothing but debit card. So this debit card works it's very simple, guys. So it's like any other debit card, and it is issued by DCB Bank, and DCB Bank, they are issuing with 0%, zero maintenance account. Basically, you don't have to maintain even 1 rupee, and there will be no annual charges for account opening. Basically, this is a free card. I got this card for free, and all the maintenance of this card is done through Niyo app. So even if you want to place your card, you have to first install Niyo app. So KYC will happen. They'll check your CIBIL score. They will check all your background. You'll have to upload PAN card and do all the KYC, and then this card will be shipped to you in 48 hours, which was very fast and very good. There was no inconvenience at all. Directly the courier executive came and gave me this card. This is, I think, shipped through Blue Dart. Yeah, this is shipped through Blue Dart. So there was no inconvenience at all. I haven't used this card, I've just unboxed this. I have to load currency in this. So how you load currency is very simple. You just open the app, load currency to your card, and then you have the balance displayed on your card. So let's say you have 5,000 rupees. So this, I forgot to tell you one more thing. So there is annual maintenance charges of 500 rupees. But if you maintain 5,000 rupees, which is a reasonable amount, you will not have this annual maintenance charges. Please remember that. But this is a zero maintenance bank account given by DCB Bank. But this 5,000 annual charges is charged by Niyo. But if you maintain 5,000 rupees, those 500 rupees will be completely waived off. That is one very good information. So before I go in depth about this card, like I told you, you just open the app, load money. Like if you load 50,000 or 5,000 rupees, if you go swipe like $50 or 50 euros in Europe, that much amount will only be charged. Like for example, 94, I think is the current rate between Euro and INR. So if you swipe like 20 euros or 25 euros, only that one will be charged. Whereas in HDFC Regalia Gold, you need to pay 2% markup fee, where I lost some amount in my Europe trip because of this. So please remember this information. And this one has a lot of features, guys. It's not only loading money and using it in foreign countries. This is accepted over 150 plus countries, and currencies can be loaded of 100 different type of currencies. Like for example, if you load INR, you can swipe this in more than 150 countries or 150 plus locations. And also you get international lounge access free with this upon spending 50,000 in a quarter. So this is very good. So let's say you went to Europe and you swipe this card around for 50,000 rupees, you will get one international lounge outside of India free of cost. And those details you can find it in the Niyo app, which lounge is free, which lounge is not free, you can check in the Niyo app, and complete maintenance of this card is done in Niyo app. There is no net banking concept as such, like how we have for HDFC Bank. There is nothing like that, but this will be really beneficial, especially when you're traveling to Europe. Like I've repeated this for 4 times now, so please don't get annoyed. And this I'll be using in my future trips wherever I go. I'll be try to be using Niyo DCB bank card. And I anyway have to maintain 5,000 rupees. So if I maintain 10,000 rupees, and if there is an opportunity for me in the airport to buy SIM or something, I can use this card easily. And you can unblock and block this card from the app. For example, you lost this card. France is known for pickpocketing, you all know that. So it's very easy to lose stuff in France. So if you lose this card in France, for example, no offense to those people, but if you lose this, because a lot of my friends have lost a lot of things in France very recently, and if you lose this card in France, for example, like for an instance, you can block in the app itself. So there is no need to call customer care and go through this nonsense procedure, press dial 1 for English, dial 2 for Hindi. You don't have to go through this nonsense process, and everything is managed in the app itself. So I hope this information is very, very informative. Again, I didn't want to make this video too lengthy. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram, follow and then reach out to me, because I'm not getting notified. Also, comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. So again, guys, I hope this information is very, very informative, very helpful, and I hope you pass this information to a lot of people who are traveling to Europe, because money or cash is not accepted in most 90% of the places. So it's very handy to have this Niyo Global DCB Bank debit card, which is free of cost. It is not hurting you, it is not costing you anything. So might as well as take chances with this, and you can cancel this whenever you want. Let's say you changed your mind, you don't want this DCB, you got a better deal in another vendor or a bank, you might as well as close this straight away. So I hope this information is very, very informative. Again, I'll try to keep my video short. I'll catch you guys in my next video.